Hey everybody, Jake Breen here, Team Utah Cribs, Berkshire Hathaway Utah Properties. And it is a snowy and cold February 6th, 2020. And on the rare occasion I have a little bit of downtime, you know me, I'm a market junkie. And so I like doing a little bit of research. I look up crazy things to kind of ask myself, where is the Salt Lake County market going? And I use data and statistics to help us answer that question. So I'm going to give you a brief breakdown of what I just went over. Yeah, snowy day, got my hat on and my blue light glasses. So apologize for the look, but I found this very interesting and you might too. And this video is short, so just kind of hang with me here. I just looked up all of the properties that are for sale in Salt Lake County, single family, townhouse, and condo. Did you know as of today, there's 1,348 total residential properties for sale in all of Salt Lake County. That's downtown to Draper. That's from the East Bench all the way out to Kennecott Copper Mine. That's it. And listen how we break it down. If you extract and remove condos and townhomes, there's only 943 available properties. If you look at East Side versus West, there's 419 homes on the East Side and 518 for sale on the West Side. If you say, okay, show me everything in Salt Lake County under 500,000 that's a single family home, there's 427. If you say, show me single family home East Side under 500, there's 97. This is before we even put in any criteria on size, footage, beds, baths. And check this out. If the only criteria you put in is a 2-car garage, well, on East Side, Salt Lake County, 2-car garage minimum under 500, there is a total of 46 homes for sale. Now, when I talk like this, here's what most potential buyers say. That's okay. I've got time. There'll be more listings in spring, and I'll wait for the right property to come along. In fact, my wife and I talked about it, and we'll wait until something pops up on Zillow that we like and that fits our criteria and price range, and then we'll jump on it. That's a huge false reality, to be candid with you. We hear this every day from people, and we kind of dance around answering that question because we don't want to come off as pushy, sleazy salespeople. But let me use data to tell you why that's not logic thinking, okay? What really happens is while you wait for the right house to come along, especially this time of year, the market outpaces you and the properties only get less and worse while pricing goes up and there's less opportunity for you to get what you want. Let me show you some data to prove exactly what I'm saying. I'm going to take those same statistics we just went over and pop a graph on your screen. And what I'm going to show you here is look at the top highlighted area. This is the search criteria I put into my data table. And we're looking at Salt Lake County homes, single family on the east side of Salt Lake with at least a 2-car garage. And this graph is showing you what that type of home has done, sales and appreciation, for the last 5 years. Follow the blue line. First quarter 2015, that type of house was $325,000. The end of 2019, that type of house, median price, was $510,000. So you've seen $185,000 appreciation in the last 5 years for an East Side single family 2-car garage home. But it's more complicated than that. The green line is the number of listings that come available for sale, and the black line is the number of listings that have sold. Most of you can probably notice a trend. Salt Lake County is seasonal. First quarter is always the least amount of sales, and they skyrocket as far as the number of listings and sales in the second quarter year after year. And look what pricing does. First quarter 2018, that type of house, $446. 90 days later, $480. First quarter of last year, median price $472. 90 days later, $510. Are you noticing a trend yet? Okay, whether the market is up, down, or sideways, whether it's a recession or an appreciating market, there's one thing you can bank on: Second quarter of any given year in Salt Lake County is when we see the spring pop. And while you wait for the right house to come along, more people also wait. So as more homes come on the market, as you just saw, the green line, more homes actually sell. So the absorption, which is the black line, the absorption stays about the same. So there's not a plethora of more options, one. And number two, unfortunately, while you wait and look, pricing goes up. So this is not a high pressure sales situation. This is just us educating our clients, friends, and family so they can make an educated decision when it comes to their real estate. And second quarter, especially for affordable housing in Salt Lake, one of the hottest markets in the US right now, it's inevitable. It happens every year. Even in a recession, we saw second quarter pop. And then usually pricing doesn't come back down as we get into summer and fall. So truly, your best time from a pricing standpoint to purchase a home is from about Thanksgiving to Valentine's, if you're really trying to time the market. And you can usually, based on the last 6 years, save yourself between 6 and 10% off of median price. Hope that helps. You know us here at Cribs, we educate you so you can make an educated decision when it comes to your real estate. Thanks for watching.